Hi all, welcome to this video. In this video we will see how we can sort objects using comparator. So in general we use comparable and comparator to sort the objects, right? So we know already to use a comparable we need to implement comparable interface uh, for that object, but we are using comparator here. So in traditional way, when we are implementing the comparator, we use comparator and compare by. Here I'm using a car object, so I'm going to sort by using compare by make is equal to new comparator of. So if you see, there is a compare object here. So to get auto completion, what we can do is, like, this is comparator of type car. So if you then new comparator of car object, so the car object will come automatically. So if you see the before, then we got it as object and object. Now if you see, we got a car and both the car objects here. So to compare using the make, we need to use o1 dot get make dot. We are having a compare to method here to compare two objects. o2 dot get make. Okay, and yeah, to sort the objects that are there in this list, we are going to use collections dot sort of, and we need to pass this array and then the comparator. So if you pass both and then if you output the cars, then if you run it again, you will see the objects are sorted based on the make. But if you see, the list that I have added to this array are not sorted, but after sorting by using a comparator, all the car objects are sorted based on the make. So if you wanted to write one more based on the price, copy paste the previous one, and then we can make the changes in that compare by price. And then as the price is double value in the car object, so what we can do is we can use double dot compare of o1 dot get price comma o2 dot get price. Okay, and then if you want to compare by year also, then we can do one more copy paste and compare by year, and then as year is integer, we can directly use o1 dot get year minus o2 dot get year. Okay, so for printing purpose, so to test compare by price, what we can do, you can replace compare by make with compare by price, and then if you run, you can see the list is sorted based on the price 18, 20, 22, 23, 25, 27, and so on, and 60. So, and after that, if you want to compare by year, we can do compare by year also, and we can run. Okay, and if you see 20, 21, 22, 23, yeah, so it's sorted based on the year. So this is the general approach, but if you wanted to convert this into lambda function using the lambda, so what we can do is like we can simply remove up to here, and then what we need to do is like we can put like this. Okay, as it is a single line statement, we can remove the return statement also, and as this is same type, we can remove the braces as well. Okay, and we can do the same thing for this also. And let's do the same for compare by year. Okay, so in this way also we can do a sorting operation. So again we will get the same result. If you wanted to change it, then we can do compare by make, and then we can rerun. Yeah, if you see it is sorted based on the make. So here we have used lambda, but you can use method references also here to compare this thing. So here IntelliJ also giving us the suggestions to us. So if you make this replace, then it is simply see comparator dot comparing using make, and we can do the same thing here also, comparing it. See, there is a method directly in the comparator comparing double, and here also as it is an integer, so here we are having a directly method comparing int. So if you run it with compare by price, then you will see it was sorted based on price. Okay, in these three ways we can do sorting of the object in Java and Java 8. Thank you.